One, classify sides of 3, 5, and 7. How many say acute? Right? Obtuse? Right, so if we take a look at this, we take the sum of the squares of the two smaller sides. So 3 squared, 5 squared compared to 7 squared. 9 plus 25 is smaller than 49. So the longest side squared is greater than it would have been in a right triangle, which pushes it out, and it becomes an obtuse triangle. Okay, looking at the second example, 5, 12, and 13. Do you even need to calculate to find that? No, because what is it? It's a common triple, right? So you know it's going to be a right triangle. But we can verify this if we take the sum of the squares of the two smaller sides. 5 squared, 12 squared. Compare that to 13 squared. 25 plus 144 versus 169. Those are equal, so you wind up with a right triangle. Okay. For problem C, okay, sides of 7, 12, and 4, they're not written in the order from smallest to largest. But how many say acute? Right? So I'm assuming everybody else has the wrong answer. Oh, how many said obtuse? What if I said you're wrong? Would you believe me, or you think I'm... It's not an obtuse triangle. So check your calculations. Is there anybody who can explain to me why it's not?
Oh, I got it.
Uh-oh. Yeah, Henry.
Because it's not a triangle.
Perfect. It's not even a triangle, right? So look carefully. Remember, all the other properties still have to apply. So mathematically, if you were to take 4 squared plus 7 squared and compare it to 12 squared, right, then it would fit the pattern, right, of being obtuse. But there's another relationship that has to exist here, and that's triangle inequality. The sum of any two sides has to be greater than the third side. So if you take the two smaller sides, 7 plus 4, in order for this to be a triangle, would have to be greater than the longest side. Is it? No. So this isn't even a triangle. Okay, so in this one, when you're looking at the problems that ask you to classify triangles, it'll probably be either a matching or a drop-down type of answer scenario online. You can expect to see not possible be one of the choices. And so make sure, and this includes on the final, a heads up. Okay? If you have a question like this, just check that first. It'll save you the time of having to do the calculations. 7 to 4, they have to be greater than 12. It's not, so it's not even a triangle.